LED lighting manufacturing is driving the future of energy-efficient illumination across residential, commercial, industrial, automotive, and infrastructure applications. As demand for high-performance lighting solutions continues to grow, manufacturers need precise production planning, consistent quality, and complete operational visibility. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every stage of LED lighting manufacturing while improving productivity, quality, and business performance. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From product design and bill of materials to procurement, production planning, PCB assembly, driver manufacturing, fixture assembly, testing, quality inspection, inventory management, packaging, and dispatch, every process is seamlessly connected. This eliminates manual operations, improves collaboration, and provides real-time visibility throughout the manufacturing lifecycle. Advanced production planning enables manufacturers to optimize machine utilization, workforce allocation, and material availability while efficiently managing multiple product lines and customer orders. Real-time monitoring allows teams to track work orders, production progress, inventory movement, and resource utilization, helping reduce bottlenecks, minimize downtime, and ensure